Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fundamental skill that every Figma user should master: how to export your designs from Figma. Whether you're prepping assets for a client, handing files off to developers, or just want to showcase your latest creative project, you'll know exactly how to get your work out of Figma and into the format you need by the end of this tutorial. So let's jump right in. First, open up Figma. If you're already working on your design, just make sure you have the file open in the editor. Now, exporting in Figma is actually pretty simple, but there are a couple of ways to do it depending on what feels most natural for you. Don't worry if you're new to this, you've got options, and I'll walk you through each step so you can choose what's best for your workflow. The first method is using the main menu at the top left of your screen. Think of this as the central hub for all your file actions in Figma. Just click on that menu icon. It's kind of like the starting point for most tasks in Figma. From there, head down to File and you'll see an option labeled Export. Clicking on Export is telling Figma, hey, I'm ready to take this design out into the world. It'll bring up the export window where you can specify how you want your files saved. But let's say you're working really quickly and you prefer something a bit more direct. Figma gives you a shortcut for that too. If you look down at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll spot an Export button. It's super handy. Just select the layer or frame you want to export, then click Export. This is great for those moments when you just need to grab a single icon or an image asset on the fly without digging through menus. It's almost like having your own little escape hatch for getting artwork out fast. Now here's a really important part: choosing the format for your exported file. When the export dialog pops up, take a moment to think about how you'll use the file. Are you handing it off to a developer who needs an SVG for the web? Or maybe you want a high-res PNG for a presentation or a JPEG for sharing on social media? Figma supports several data types, including PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF. Just select the format that fits your needs. You can even export multiple versions if you want and customize the resolution or suffixes. It's almost like choosing the perfect suitcase for your design. Make sure it's packed and labeled for its destination. And that's pretty much it. Once you've selected the options you want, hit Export and Figma will save your file. It might take a few moments if you're exporting a big design, but don't worry, there's nothing complicated about it. Figma takes care of the heavy lifting, making sure your assets are sharp and ready to go. If you're ever unsure, try exporting a small piece first, just to make sure it's exactly what you need. So now you know how to export your designs in Figma, using both the menu and the Quick Export button, and selecting the right data type for your project. That's going to save you countless hours and make your handoff process seamless. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about exporting or anything else Figma related, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.